Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Hacks. In this video I am going to tell you about how to solve two blue screen problems in Windows 10 PCs. One problem is driver power state failure and another is VUDXG kernel fatal error. Both of them, when I search in the internet, they are saying to update those drivers. You have missing some updates, so you should update your drivers. But I have updated my drivers but couldn't solve this error. If I am gonna work something, it comes up the blue screen and I have to restart my machine. So let's see how to solve that problem. Okay, you should search Asus drivers and click this first link. In that first link, enter the model name. Mine is Asus VivoBook S15. So just enter. So select yours from this list. Yeah, mine is this one. Click here and go to the support tab. Here you can see we can have a driver and utility tab, frequency asked questions, and manual and warranty, those things. Go to the drivers and utility. In there, this is the driver and utility page. In there you should choose your CPU BIOS model name. If you don't know your model name, just in the search bar type system information. So in the system information you can say in the system model you can see your model name X510UNR. So select your one and next you have to enter your OS. Mine is Windows 10, so select that one. So it loads various drivers, VGA BIOS, audio card read and everything. So a blue screen problem mostly happen because of the video drivers. In most tutorials and web pages I have seen they are telling us to update graphic drivers, update NVIDIA drivers. So I have tried those things but nothing happened. So you should select this show all. So you can see this is Intel graphics driver, NVIDIA graphics driver. Both of drivers are listed in here. So these are listed in sorted in the latest one first. So after getting here, this is the driver version and this is the version. You check if you have installed this version or not. For that, in the search type device manager. In the device manager, our video drivers are in the display adapters. So here you can see your Intel graphics, NVIDIA graphics. Right click our Intel graphics properties and go to the drivers. So in here we can see our installed driver version. So check if you have difference between these versions. You should have installed the same version in our Asus site. Okay, so 26 20 26 20 100 7325. So for me this is the same version. But if you go to the Intel page, Intel drivers page, so this is the Asus web page. If you go to the Intel web page, Intel graphics driver, So this is my graphics version. So search this one, click the first link. Yeah, this is the driver. So check here, this is the current driver version, and this is the Intel side's version 27th, but in the ASUS website it shows 26th version. So maybe your driver has newer update shows in the Intel website but not in the ASUS website. But always you should update only to the ASUS website. If you update to this version, your blue screen problem happens. So if you have already updated to this version, so that means if you have this version number in here, you should downgrade it to this one. That can be easily done via downloading this and install it in. It's very easy. So after that, my blue screen error problem solved. So if your problem after changing this Intel graphics driver, if your problem or exists, look at the NVIDIA graphics driver the same way. Like in here, check in here, and you can see NVIDIA driver properties like that. But most of the times, if you change the Intel graphics driver version, that will work. Thank you.